Alrighty, hi guys, I'm Yajol. Welcome to my school, Musical Muse Development. I will be launching on Patreon at the beginning of June, end of May. So I will be giving away some free time to the first couple of people that sign up. For details, please check out the description below. But pre this, I am releasing some free hint and tips and free lessons, basically music lessons, and I will be launching music theory videos, arrangements of songs with tab, etc. and stuff like that for guitar, piano, and obviously singing too. So right now, let's get into singing. Alrighty, cool. So now we're going to be doing a little exercise called a jaw stretcher. Why jaw stretching is important is because when you want to enunciate or pronounce your vowels clearly, you should be using a wide mouth. When we speak, like a normal conversation, we put in closed mouth like I am right now. I'm not really going, hi guys, so what I'm talking about today is woo! But when we're singing, we kind of need to do that. It projects to the audience and also the words come out clearer. Okay. So, for example, if I want to do a high note or a long deep note or something, it's better with a wide jaw. So, there's a soft spot between your upper jaw and your lower jaw. It's like a little muscle. Think of it like a hamstring in your leg, right? Just like how runners or ballet dancers kind of stretch their hamstrings, we need to stretch this to make it easier for us to use our jaw. Okay. So, bone, a little bit of muscle and bone. You'll feel the bone straight underneath, right? I want you to put your finger on the weird kind of squishy part, or at least it feels like an indentation, right? It's not going to feel like much until you stretch. It's just like a little button, okay? But when you push it, it will hurt a little when you know you're in the right space. It shouldn't be the gap, you know, where your cheeks are. And you know you're in the wrong place, okay? So I want you to push this with me, and we're going to hold it with your mouth as wide as possible for 20 seconds. And go. And there we go. Then use the palm of your hands, right, to massage it. Just so it's nice and loose. If you could do that every day for me, that'd be awesome. Otherwise, at least 5 times a week to really feel the benefit of it. Okay, on to the next one.